Going out for a consumer could mean they may be interested in offers from a range of different hospitality venues. So the challenge for hospitality venues is finding consumers in exactly the right moment they want to receive a promotional offer, tailored exactly to what they are in the mood for. Timing is everything. The answer is Venubox, a solution that connects both brands and consumers, enabling offers to be delivered based on their precise location and explicit interests. The Venubox web app provides all the tools venues need to reach previously unattainable customers, which have downloaded our innovative Venubox mobile app and provide subscriptions to meet every budget. Hospitality venues can define promotional offers to entice customers to visit their venue using our intuitive drag-and-drop tool. Think of promotions as micro-targeted flyers without the print and distribution costs. Venues can also define physical locations, whereby the offers will be triggered when customers visit. These could be around their business, a competitive business, or even a nearby train station or car park. The Venubox mobile app tracks the user's location, enabling us to precisely target them with your offer when it matches the interests they specified in the app and when they trigger your defined virtual location. Venubox mobile app users will receive a notification along with your offer in an app inbox, tailored to your own unique branding. As well as browse the offer, they can even send a chat message directly to your venue, for instance, to check availability, specials, or pricing information. Any messages sent from the Venubox mobile app user to your venue appear in your own dashboard, enabling you to read and respond accordingly. You can also monitor the performance of your offers to understand your reach and how many people engaged with them. Engagement metrics that traditional flyers and advertising does not enable you to track. Helping hospitality venues to create relevant, timely, hyper-targeted offers. Venubox, connecting hospitality venues and customers in exciting new ways.